everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Hi5 account. So let's get started. First, open your Hi5 application. You can create Hi5 account with Google, with Facebook, and with email. In this video, I'm going to create it with Facebook. Tap on it. Now, tap on the Continue button. And this is how you can create Hi5 account. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.